I don't think so either. That's why I don't have no followers on YouTube. They said this guy's just a jackass. He don't know what he's talking about. He just watching because of you.
Yeah.
It's probably been what, 2 years since I've been out here.
Yeah.
Now you can say you've been to Killbuck.
Mm-hmm. There's a little movie theater.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that's what it is now, but
You don't?
no.
Little strip club?
Huh?
A little strip club?
No, I think it was Pizza Place. Gravel.
Bro. Okay, here's Junction 62.
Are you sure?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, I
Yep.
know. I see it. Nobody.
Anymore.
We were talking. My phone, Siri came back on again.
What came back on?
My Siri keeps coming on. She did it again. Stupid thing.
What?
I ain't saying it because every time I say it, it comes on.
Want to stop?
Huh? What?
Do you want to stop?
No. I'm saying if I say a certain thing, the SIRI comes on.
Okay.
I don't want to say the word because then it
All
comes on.
right, all right. When you say the yes, it goes through my ear like a razor blade. When you was talking there and it was coming on, you cut in and out.
Yeah.
It's hard for me to understand what you were saying. You don't have to get excited and raise your voice.
I just get your.
See, you can't see the creek, but that's right there.
Yeah, I see
Right?
it. Buddy.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
I don't know why my thing keeps coming on. Is yours to do that?
Mine though.
Maybe because I used it already once?
I've tried to use mine. Of course, I don't use mine a whole lot.
No, it comes on every 2 seconds. If I say a certain word, it must think I'm saying that.
Well, don't say that certain word. Probably because it's paying you back for all the nasty things you say about it.
Yeah. But it's always listening. Even when I don't say that, it answers me and I tell it to shut up. I'm not talking to it.
I gotta turn you down. You're excited and it's just going through my ear.
I'm not even talking that loud. I'm talking real low.
Well, it's just ringing through my head. I tell you, these speakers are a hell of a difference. I don't have quite as bit of trouble as I used to trying to look or figure out what you're saying. You got skinny dip there?
You God, no.
The froggies and the snakes and the crocodiles.
No. Well, we was at that stop sign. We had to go straight. My thing come on and said, "Who do you want to call?" I didn't say anything.
It's going to take a little while to get used to it and figure it out. It's like any other electronic thing, it has a mind of its own.
Yeah.
Sharp turn up there. Did you hear where they saw a black bear down in St. Clairsville?
See if they what?
Saw a black bear down in St. Clairsville.
Oh, yeah.